Alright guys, for this project we're going to be making a paper sculpture. Here's an example that I did the other day. For a sculpture, you're going to make the papers come up from the paper and you're going to build on top of it. We call that three-dimensional. For today you're going to need a glue stick, some paper. You could have colored paper if you'd like, that works a little bit easier. You're going to need a scissors, and then you can have some markers to draw with or color with. First thing you're going to do is make some strips of paper. So I'm actually going to stack these up, and I'm going to cut them at the same time so I can make a bunch of strips to get started. Alright, the first one I'm going to do, the technique, is to make an arch and to have it stick up like this. So I'm going to take this piece of paper here and I'm going to bend over the edges here, or the ends of them, to make little feet on the ends so they can stand up. On those feet, I'm going to put just a little glue with my glue stick. And then I'm going to stick those feet somewhere on the paper. I'm going to put this one maybe about right here, and I'm going to hold it down for the count of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, 10 is a good number because you'll know it's probably going to stick down if you have enough glue on there. Alright, that's my arch. The second technique I'm going to show to you is kind of like a stair step. So I'm going to take this blue piece of paper and I'm going to fold over on the end here like a little foot. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go the whole way down. I'm going to go back and forth. Back and forth. Back and forth. All the way down. Almost looks like a little spring, this one does. Okay. To glue it down, we're just going to glue the ends where it's folded over. And this one I'm going to actually glue on top of it. And you could glue it where you want. You don't have to do exactly what I do. You can put these papers on your base where you want. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, that's looking good. Almost looks like stair steps going up to the top of this one here. For the last one, I'm going to do a spiral. So I'm going to take a strip of paper and I'm going to wind it around a pencil. The hard part is getting started. You have to kind of get your paper going a little bit, get it wrapped around, and then it's a lot easier after that. I'm going to wind it around it nice and tight. Nice and tight. Okay. Press on that right there. And then you could pull it out like that, and then it winds right up. For this one, I'm just going to glue it just right on the end here. Then I'm going to let the spiral hang a little bit. So I'm going to push this down right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so from there you can use different techniques, bending over some feet, you can use markers, you can draw, and add to it as you'd like. Alright guys, good luck with your paper sculptures today.